So, so, so we're looking at doing Boolean operators and or and not. So
No, we're doing lesson 9.
yeah, it's this one. Yeah. So the and operator lets you check whether two conditions are both true at the same time. This is an example. Age is greater than or equal to 13, and age is less than 21. This is a compound Boolean expression. So this is a breakdown of each operator. So logical AND. If both expression 1 and expression 2 are true, then the whole expression
I'm
returns
sorry to
true.
interrupt. I'm really sorry, but you're meant to start from lesson 7 because I just finished lesson 6.
Really? Oh, sorry. Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, sorry. So here there was a bug. If I can show you the bug. So in here there is a bug. Basically, the secret number is 6, but there's a different message which is meant to show up depending on how close you are to the secret number. If I guess the secret number is 2, it says guess higher but close, but it should only show that if it's 4 or higher. Exactly. Guess lower but close. Yeah. So 7 to 10 is so 6 to 10 is correct, but the second half is not really correct. So this is to do with the if else if statement. So this is to do with the order, and if I go back to the original version, I've fixed it so that the orders changed. So I believe I switched these two around, but if I run it now, and I type 2, oh, right. So which version is this? No, never mind. Wait.
When you click number 2, it's just meant to say guess higher.
Yeah.
Not guess higher but close.
I think something's gone wrong. Thought I changed it.
Okay, I'll try and see.
Yeah. Yeah, please help me for this.
I think what you've done is I think you've put it in the wrong order. So after guess higher, the next one should be guess lower but close, and then guess higher but close.
Yeah.
Because like before the order matters.
Yeah. I thought I changed it. That's why. Yeah. Yeah. I'll retry that now. Still not work.
No. I meant like when you put guess lower and then you put guess higher
Then
and
you
then
put guess lower but close, then guess higher but close.
The guess lower, then guess higher,
Yeah.
then guess
Lower but close.
then guess. Okay, so this is the correct order.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. It hasn't changed.
No, I think is guess you win, then guess higher, then guess lower, then guess higher but close. So it's just like that. You win, guess higher, guess lower, guess higher but close, guess lower but close.
Sorry, could you repeat that again, please?
You win,
Yeah.
then after you win is guess higher.
Okay.
After you win is guess higher.
Yep.
Then guess lower.
Mhm.
Then guess higher but close.
And also, your first line, if you look at your first line, sorry to interrupt, if you look at your first line, it shouldn't say random number 110. It should say random, it should say,
Oh
VAR
yeah, I forgot.
number
Oh yeah.
46.
Oh yeah, I improved the code myself while I was doing this. Sorry, I forgot about that. Yeah,
I noticed that first.
yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I think that should work now.
Yeah, I think it should work now.
Mm.
No, it's meant to be
No.
guess lower but close, then guess higher but close.
Keep it in the same order it was before.
Oh,
And
It
also,
was-
it's guess lower, then guess light, then guess higher.
okay. This should work now. After so long. No. Wait.
No, it's guess lower, then guess higher.
Yes. Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
Hey, this should work. No, it still doesn't work. Hmm. Hold on.
Okay, guys, you need to look at the beginning. All right. I told you about how to test run this particular any code that's giving an error. Okay. So the first one, your variable is equal to 6, right?
Yeah.
And you have your guess. There's nothing inside your guess. Okay. Then you get your guess from your text, right? So if you select 1, right, as your guess, right? Okay. So the first line 6 statement said guess is equal to number. Will that be true? If you select 1, would 1 equal to 6?
No.
No.
Okay. We move to condition number 8 on line 8. So if your guess is 1 and my number is 6, is 1 greater than my number?
No.
No. Okay. So it's going to move to line number 10, right? So is 1 greater than number plus 2? Which is going to be 8.
No.
Okay. So it's going to move to number 12. No. Is 1 less than 6 minus 2?
No. Wait. Yes.
Yeah.
So that is what you should see. So if you select one, can you select one and let's run it and select one? Yeah. So exactly, that's what you're expected to see from your code. So it shows that you've guessed lower, right? Which is true, right?
Wait a minute.
I think what you've done is you put else if guess, then it should say my number +2,
+2.
and then set text user message guess lower.
Then else if guess my number.
Managing conditions
Yeah,
are
I think
in the
that's
wrong place.
I think what you've done is you've put like the +2 and the 2, you've
Yeah.
switched it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hold on. So it should be here. The biggest higher one should be yeah. Yeah. Let's try that. It's still not working. Right.
I think
Legacy order now.
okay, I think first of all, wait, can you scroll up please?
Wait a minute. Oops. Yeah.
Yeah, you've
Yeah, I've
you need to rearrange.
you put it in the wrong place.
You like still need to rearrange it. Yeah.
So wait. So it should go guess higher, guess lower, guess higher but close, then guess lower but close.
Okay, if you scroll to the top, right? Let's start from the top, right? The first line is if your guess is the right one, right? If you scroll a bit, yeah. So that means you win. Okay. If your guess is big, is low, is bigger, right?
Yeah.
That's what you're saying. In the next one, you are saying my guess is bigger.
Yeah, that should be there.
Okay. All right. So the next one now, you say, okay, my guess is lower, so you should guess higher, right? Okay. Then after that, if you scroll down again, so you are adding 2 to your guess, right? So if your guess now is the number +2 is greater than the number +2.
Yeah. So you'd have to guess lower for that one. So yeah.
Yeah, guess lower.
Then
Okay.
this one should be correct as well. Okay. So so I think it should work now. Yeah, it works.
Yay.
Oh, almost. I really half solved the problem. Yeah. Okay. Wait. So,
What's the issue now?
I think it's the arrangement.
I think you need to change a couple of lines.
Okay.
Yes, I think what you need to do is where you
yeah, we
put
need to change the condition there. I think this should be. Wait. I think this should be. Wait. It should be in.
If you do that, there's no difference between the one that you wrote at the top and the one that you are writing now.
Yeah, so I'm going to change that. I have to change the operator when I finish this as well.
No, you wouldn't do that.
Really?
Wait, change line 14 to guess equals my number. Then change line 8 to guess is high. Change.
Wait, what?
Change line 14 to guess equals my number. Under it, right? You win.
Going to change this to guess equals what?
My number.
Okay.
Yeah, add any -2. That one's a bit different to yours, but.
Yeah.
Then underneath you write you in at line 15.
Pardon?
At line 15 you write you in.
Okay, all right, guys. So instead of double equal to, right, the guess +2, right? I think you should use greater than or equal to.
yeah.
And the other one less than or equal to.
Hold on.
On line 12.
I swapped mine with.
But let's just test that for now. I just want to see. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll carry on this one, but there's a better way to. Yeah. But I think it does work anyway. So well done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, should I move on?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay. It's the video.
No, let's keep that.
You can move on.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're back here. So, where was I when I was
we don't have the time. Let's keep this one as well. Let's go to the exercise. So you guys can read up on this one if that's okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're looking at the OR operator. So we've had a sort of code that is meant to determine whether it's Saturday or Sunday, and if it is, then it writes it's the weekend. But if it doesn't, then it writes can't wait for the weekend to get here. And you can see the OR statement being used here. So if I run this, I'll be asked to enter a day of the week. Now let's do a weekday. So Monday, write that in. It will show can't wait for the weekend to get here. And it will show that because the OR statement is false. So it will skip the if block and move to the else block. Whenever I type in a weekday, a weekend, like Sunday, it will show it's the weekend because the OR statement is true. So that's your statement.
Okay.
Did you guys all understand that?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Now we're using the AND operator here. So here we're meant to determine if an age entered is between 13 and 19 to say whether you are a teenager or not. So this is the AND statement used in the if statement. So I am prompted to enter an age, let's say 15, and it will say that I am a teenager. Now if I typed in a younger age, like 8, you are not a teenager. Now, what if I typed in? What if I said I was older, like 56?
Yeah.
It will still show that I'm not a teenager. So that's the AND statement.
Okay.
Then-
All right. Thanks. Oh, quickly before you go ahead, actually, so, does anyone understand this table that is being displayed right now? The one that shows, expression 1 and 2. This one.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Who wants to explain that for us?
Um.
Okay, Ashley.
So first of all, it says expression 1 and is true, and expression 2 is true. So for an and statement to be correct, the two expressions must be correct. So let's say you're if you're between the ages of 13 and 19, you're above 13, but you're below 19. So those expressions are true, meaning that the and statement will work. Otherwise, any other combination, true and false, false and true, false and false, won't work.
Yeah, that's true. So it's like today is Tuesday and today is Saturday. Those will not work. Actually, one of them has to be true, right? It's either today is Tuesday or today is Saturday. So you cannot say today is Tuesday and today is Saturday. So that would be true and false, or false and true. So thank you, Ashley. Yeah. So when you have an expression that both of them are true and you put an and in them, they are going to be true. So, and for instance, who can give us another example? I think Ashley has used the age and I've used the date. So who wants to give us another example?
If this is if this is Sunday and the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Pardon?
I can't hear you.
Yeah. If this is sunny and the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, that could be true for them. It can be sunny and the temperature can be that. So both of them can be true. So, and you can say it is, for instance, if you say it's snowing and the temperature is 30 degrees, both of them cannot be true, right? So one is true, one is false. So because of that, if you add them together, it's going to be false. All right. Okay. So all right, that's okay. Yeah, I just need to explain that to you guys. So which I think you guys already get the grips of that. Thank you so much. So let's go to the last person. Right. Thank you so much, Olodamnari.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I'm going to